In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Hit Google Password Manager. Tap on any password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock to access Edit button. Click on it and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!